In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this simple and easy to use sugar wask. It is very soft and very easy to use. I will also be showing you how to use it and what to do in order not to make it hurt you while using it or to make it feel pain, and also how to preserve it for a very long time without getting hard. If you have made sugar wax before, you will understand what I mean. You are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, okay? So this is the star ingredient I'll be using here, and it's sugar, just as the name implies, sugar wask. So I'm using 1 cup of sugar. That is 1 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I don't know if you can see it. This is 1/4 cup of lemon juice. So I set that aside. I will also be using water. Then I went ahead to add the sugar into my pan and also add up my lemon juice into the pan. I added the whole lemon juice, that's 1/4 cup. I also measured out 1/4 cup of water, that is 1/4 cup of water, into my lemon and sugar mixture, and mix it very well. Please take note of that measurement. If you alter it, it might not come out well, okay? So you have to follow the measurements and double it if you are making in a large quantity. So this is it. Is currently on fire and on a low heat actually, and yeah, you will have to keep stirring it. I kept stirring and stirring and stirring because it has every tendency of foaming, and if care is not taken, it would pour out, okay? So you have to stir constantly until you see this golden color or brownish color. Then you take it down immediately. Don't wait for it to turn dark brown before you take it down, because even after taking it down, when it gets to light brown, it is still going to turn brown, like very deep brown, after it's cooled, okay, because the heat is still on. This is how my wax is looking, and I set it aside to cool while getting ready my stripes. So these stripes is what I'll be using to wax. You can get any stripe of your choice. Just get a plain piece of clothes. I think cotton cloth is better. Cotton cloth is better because any other material might not really work well for you. So I am using cotton clothes. Is it actually cotton? I had cotton. I normally use this white material cotton cloth, but I noticed that I ran out of it, so I had to use this one that I have. And another thing you'll be using is powder. Using white powder before waxing will help you to control oil on your skin, especially when you have oily skin. It will enable the wax to stick well and, for you to be able to wax very well. So I will go ahead to apply. First of all, I'm trying it on my leg. So I went ahead to apply my powder. I don't really have much hair on my leg, but I want you to take a clearer look. That's why I'm using my leg first. I still have little hairs there, so I went ahead to collect my wax, and also went ahead to spread it on the parts that I have already applied powder on. So after spreading it out this way, I made sure that it's very smooth. Then after spreading it out, I went ahead to place the cotton material on it and pat it very well so that it would stick to the wax, just like so. Like, I made sure that it really stuck into it, either stuck or stick, anyone. So I went ahead to pull from the opposite direction of my hair growth and pulled it. Remember, it's not that painful. It's not painful at all, because I have used wax before. Like, I've been using wax, and Honestly, it has been so painful, and it's not something that you would want to repeat, honestly, after trying it for the first time. But I'll be telling you what I did to make it very easy to use and less painful. Okay, so you can see how it's looking. You can go over and over again to make sure that it's well waxed. Then I went ahead to also do it on my armpit. I was specially preserving those my armpit hair just to make this video, honestly. So I went ahead to do the same thing, and voila, everything went off. Immediately after pulling off your wax, you are going to get a soft cotton or clothes that is soaked in cold water and place on the wax area, so that it will not get hot. You understand, it will not turn red, or maybe hurt you more or cause any other issue, because you are pulling the hair out. Then I went on to the other my other armpits, and I did the same. I spread the wax and also placed the material on it, and the next thing I pulled from the opposite direction, and voila, everything went off. And yeah, it was so fun doing this. Even with my face, you will know that this wasn't painful as it used to be. If you have waxed before, you will know what I am talking about. And this is it. These are all the hairs that came out from the waxing, and yeah, it was really clean and really refreshed. So I'll be telling you what exactly I did that made it less painful, and also how to preserve the wax for a very long time. Like, I still have mine. And it's over a month that I made it. Is still good. Okay, so what you are going to do is that you are going to, when you bring it out from the fire, from the heat, immediately you are going to drop some few drops, like 6 drops of cold water into it, and mix it well immediately. Trust me, after doing that, your wax is going to remain soft forever and ever. I didn't actually know that my video wasn't recording when I was mixing mine, and I stored it in this airtight container. You can store yours in a jar or anything of your choice. And this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to stay safe out there. Bye.